Hi friends, if you have decided to make a wonderful website, this video is for you. In this video, I am with a great theme named APRESS. APRESS is a responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme and it has been developed by APRESS Theme. APRESS Theme developed this theme in 2017 only, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. This is a great theme because it has got 111 demos website with it, and you can definitely choose any of available demo from the bank of APRESS theme demos, and I am going to give this link of demo websites in the description of this video. So if we talk about the demos, all demos are one by one very good. This is landing page demo. You can see how clearly it has been made and to the point with a clear and stunning look. This is another demo, 2018. And this is the next generation WordPress theme, creative demo of APRESS theme. In this video, we are going to install the APRESS theme, and we will also import one of the available demos. We'll also see the customization options available in the theme. So let us begin the installation. I have a latest installation of WordPress with latest version, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack, I got licensing, some plugins. These are the list of plugins: APRESS child theme, APRESS main theme, and documentation text. To install the APRESS theme in the WordPress installation, go to the themes section, add a new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose apress.zip, and I believe you are having direct access on your server as well, so you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder. Both activities are same, don't get confused. You can upload from here, either directly to server. I'm doing the same. It will save some seconds, and the theme size is 36.90 MB. It is a bit high. On an average, the theme size remains 15 to 20 MB, but some theme carries multiple files important for installation and rest of things. So it got uploaded, and we need to extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this APRESS folder, in which we got all the theme components, folder and files. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space. Go to the theme section again, and now we have the APRESS as another theme option. Let us check the detail. This is APRESS version 5.2.8. APRESS is a clean and modern creative multi-use multi-purpose WordPress theme, and we can activate it now. Upon activation, we got alert to install necessary plugins, and this theme also supports Woocommerce, so you can use this theme for e-commerce activities. Begin installing plugins. These are the list of plugins. Required plugins are on top and rest plugins are recommended. I'm installing all the plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one. And if you have planned to get the theme and the hosting from WP Themes, I'm giving you the link in the description of this video. You'll get the same capacity server along with the theme, and you can even choose to get only theme. So rest assured about the server capacity, you are going to get the best. So all plugins has been installed and activated. So now we can return to dashboard, and we can also take a look of website, how it looks, the theme and plugins. We need to complete a basic setup of Woocommerce. I am putting just a sample data. You should put the original one as applicable for you. Here you need to choose APRESS, continue with my active theme. No need to install Jetpack at this stage, we can install it later. Now the Woocommerce setup is complete, and this is the basic look of website with the theme and plugins. And of course we need a sample data, demo data at this stage to complete the website installation process. So we will go to the APRESS in the left menu, and install demos are here. Simply click on install demos. And you can choose any of the demo available here. In fact, as I told you, there are 111 demos available in this theme, so you have many choices as per your need and taste. So the theme got multiple new layout as well, and it is wonderful. In fact, you have a gallery of choices, so you can choose any. Oh, this is wonderful. And I will install the corporate main one just to showcase you the theme features and the installation process. You can choose any. So I'm just clicking on install, and the import process is going on. It may take some time as it is going to download the media files, necessary files, and all set of requirements. So just be on this page, don't refresh or leave this page. you'll get a window alert here in this section that data has been imported. I just crossed that alert and the import process is complete, and this is the outcome website, which got a wonderful look. And in this process we completed the installation of APRESS main demo, and this is the website. It has got all the images, sections, and pages. Let us check the pages. And this is about us page of main demo. Of course we need certain customization in any theme, and definitely you can do this with this theme as well. So there are multiple pages available. Let us see what we got in the demo. So in the media library, we got multiple images in the form of demo content, and you can choose any to use or upload your own. And let us check the pages. We got 32 pages in the demo of this demo, so there are multiple home page as well. In fact 8 home pages are here in this demo import, and there might be many in others. So I'll show you 1 or 2 more. This is the home 2. It is the simple one. It has pricing section as well, so you can choose as per your. This is home 3. And there are many pages in form of home pages and other pages. You can customize any. Now I'll show you the theme options, what we got additional in the WordPress installation. Let us check the APRESS theme options. This is global setting. In the global setting, you can on or off preloader and all these things. Logo can be changed from here in the logo section. Layout can be changed. Header option is here, so you can choose header selections, preset, top, and all such things. Header styling is here. Sticky header, responsive breakpoints. Mobile header is given separately. Social header, special button, and menu is here, so you can choose menu drop down, mega menu, top menu style, page title bar, sidebars. So sidebar has got many options. Footer, background, typography, colors. You can change the colors used in the theme. Button, you can change button styling. Blog, portfolio, testimonials, team, social media, contact form, Woocommerce, custom CSS, and import export. That is fine. So testimonials is here as well, comments are here, footers, and rest of things are common. So this Apress global setting and global theme option, Apress theme option got everything to control your website. Now we can check how to edit any page of this theme. So we will check the home, edit with WP Bakery page builder. And you can choose to edit any section from front-end editor, and even you can use backend editor. I'll show you again how to use backend and front-end editor. This is front-end editor. You just click on pencil icon to change the text, enter the text, and there are many styles available, heading styles, so you can choose any as per your choice, and all sections are simply editable, so no need to have any technical knowledge. Even a simple computer user can edit all these items, and you can even add or remove page sections. Backend editor helps much in the adding and removing the sections, so I'll show you the backend editor as well. This is the backend editor. And you can choose to edit any or even add or remove the sections on the page. It is simple, so no need to worry. So simply you can change anything on the page, and I'll advise you to take a backup of at least home page using a duplicator plugin, so that you may restore in case of any error occurs at your end. And this is simple to edit, and you can make your website easily with these options. So we can conclude that we have successfully installed the APRESS theme in this video, and there are multiple demos. You can choose any demo with the same process, and you'll get a wonderful outcome website. And I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. So be in touch, and if you have got some questions regarding this theme, you can definitely get in touch with me in the comment section of this video, and I am also giving the link of website in the description where you can get this theme and get support as well. So just be in touch. Thank you very much.